Third place from Ipswich Grammar School is LJ Fox.
And away they go from the outside. We've got Mudgee College, Toowoomba Grammar on his inside. Coming through fast is Ipswich Grammar. Gregory Terrace is prominent too. A bunch of three abreast as they get down the back straight. Jack Curran was second at state championships, the Churchy runner, and Michael Payne of Ipswich was third at states. They'd be the two favourites for this event. But it's going to be a close run thing, judging by this first lap where the pace is not really on. As they come up to get the bell, on the inside is Churchy, then Toowoomba, and Ipswich. So it's Ipswich challenging for the lead. That's Payne of Ipswich, and the Churchy runner Curran. And here comes Gregory Terrace from the outside. Moulton and Gregory Terrace throwing out the challenge. Jack Curran relinquishing the lead for Moulton, and State High are in it too. That's Chevy Black. He's a very experienced cross-country runner. He's got plenty of stamina. Question is, does he have the pace? With 180 metres left to run, it's Gregory Terrace leading from Churchy, and the pace is really on now. They've thrown everything at this in the last 100 metres, coming down the straight. Churchy throwing out the challenge to Gregory Terrace. Jack Curran at the shoulder of the Gregory Terrace athlete Moulton, and it's Curran who's going to win it for Churchy. Second, Gregory Terrace. Third, Ipswich, just ahead of State High. A great finish by Michael Payne of Ipswich to nudge out Chevy Black of State High. What a terrific run by